today I did a natural glowy look today.
Also, not a snow day today, which is I'm beyond grateful, even if it's not really snowing. But I guess this year had to compensate us for the crazy snow day, the actual snow day on Friday. Also, 30-year-old Gab, got braces. That sucks. But also, you're about to turn 18, and this is your second attempt of making a makeup tutorial. I guess it's just a reminder for you. Also, for those who are not 30-year-old Gabby, thank you for supporting me, and I know a lot of you guys told me to, talk in the video. I didn't talk in the video, but I did an introduction, so I hope it's gonna build up. Also, thank you for supporting me and giving me feedback. I don't know where this is going to take me, but it's just fun, and I guess for those who want to try something new and are scared, just do it, because in 30 years, you're gonna watch it and you're gonna laugh, and I'm laughing right now, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it helps you in some way or makes you laugh in some way. So thank you, I appreciate it, and yeah, so enjoy the video. Bye!
Hey guys, so that's my bare face. Also, I decided to do a voiceover, because why not? So first you want to start with moisturizer. You want to moisturize your entire face, leaving no trace of any dry patches. Then I took a primer. It basically blurs out all your imperfections. Also, it fills in all your pores. Then I took my Anastasia and NYX brow powder and filled in my brows. I usually start with an outline underneath on the bottom of my brow. Then I fill them in. I use an upward motion to fill in all the, I guess, the passive brow hairs. So now we're just filling it in. You're gonna do the same for the other brow, because that would not be cute. Now I'm going to be taking concealer to redefine my brows. I also add this on my lids, just as a primer for the eyeshadow later on. So what this basically does is redefine, also eliminates any stray powder that comes off when you do your brows. I took an extra concealer just to emphasize it even more. So now I take my concealer brush and I blend it all around my eyes, also around my eyebrows. Yeah, so you just want to blend it, and you want to use your hands to eliminate any harsh lines that the brush gives. So yeah, blend, blend, blend. So now I'm going to be applying foundation. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me in 230. So first I dot it all over my face. Then I blend it with my blending brush. I usually do it with my hands, but today I was feeling the brush. So I blend it all over my face, making sure that I don't miss a spot. Now I'm going to be taking that second concealer and I'm going to be applying it underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead and my chin. Also around my nose, because it tends to get very red there. Then I sprayed the sponge and it just helps me blend easier. I'm just blending the concealer in the inner part of my face to give it a more highlighty effect. I don't know if that's a word, but it's a highlight effect. Then I took a darker shade of foundation to act as a bronzer on the outer part of my face. I used the same brush for the foundation to blend out all the foundation on the outer part. With the extra product though, you can also blend the rest of your face, gently though. Now I'm going to contour and highlight, make that same weird duck face that we've made on the other video. And you basically just want to redefine all the shadows on your face and the highlight on your face. So I'm blending this highlight slash concealer with my hand, and for the contour I'm using a brush, just so it really defines and emphasizes. I feel like if I use my hands it wouldn't be too precise. So yeah, we just blend, blend, blend. And with a smaller brush, you want to contour your nose with that. I also added to the lids on the outer part, of course, just to kind of contour my eyes a little bit. Now here comes the eyeshadow part. I'm taking this soft brown as my transitional color, and I am using a window wiping motion to apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. This doesn't have to be too neat. Now I'm taking a blending brush to mix the two lightest purple shades on the eyeliner part or the outer corner of my crease. So the key to eyeshadow is blending. You want to blend a lot. You don't want to just add a lot of product instantly. So now I'm taking the darkest shades with the range of black, purple, and dark brown to make a eyeliner effect, a very smudgy one. I don't really want a very clean cut eyeliner, considering that it's a natural look. I'm taking the same brush that I took for the eyeliner effect and I poked myself in the eye, but I'm tight lining. Now I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and the center of my forehead. This is the true highlighting necessity. Today I'm going to be using individual lashes since it is a natural look. I usually just add a dot on a plastic or a paper card and I just dab the eyelash on the glue and just stick them on my eyes, I guess. You want to be really precise when applying these because these are individual lashes and you want them as close to your waterline as possible, or your eyelash line, I guess. Now, I guess I'm going to be bronzing again. I just really love bronzing. This doesn't have to be too neat again. It just basically emphasizes all the shadows. For blush, you just want to smile and you just want to add a touch of rosy cheeks to your look. Now the powder is going to remove any additional oil or additional highlight that you don't want, but then I reapplied more highlighter anyway. Then I sprayed setting spray and voila, your look is done. Once again, thanks for watching.